Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In today's video, we will continue solving equation on logarithmic function. This is a part of the ADMAS syllabus as well as of A-level mathematics as well. This is video number 4. The link of the other videos is in the description below. So let's start solving this question. In part 1, it is not an equation, it is an expression, and that's why question is saying change it into single logarithm, right? So let me write here 3 plus 2 LGA, and I have already told you in the previous videos, when it is LG, it means it is log base 10, right? So we know that thing. So I'm just copying down question. Whenever we change an expression into single logarithm, we apply product quotient rule, power law. So here there are 3 terms. For the product and quotient rule, there should be no multiplier. So right now this 2 will go here as a power and this will go here as a power, right? But what about this 3? Remember I told you in the previous video, sometimes we need to add things here. We know that LG10 is 1, right? Right now the other terms have LG, so this should also have LG. Then only I will be able to apply product rule or quotient rule. So I will write here 3 times LG10. LG10 is 1, so 3 ones are 3. It means it is the same question. This will be LGA square minus LG 4B square power half. And this 3 will also go here. The reason is then I will have all the terms without any multiplier. It means I can easily apply product rule and quotient rule, right? So because there is plus sign, so and this is also plus sign here, so these 2 terms will multiply. So it will become 1000 because 10 power 3 is 1000 a square. And because there is minus sign, so this will go in the denominator. Just a minute, let me write it neatly. This is the bracket here. It will be root 4b square. Okay. Now, if I want to stop here, I can, but I can simplify the denominator further. Can you think how? Root 4 is 2 and root b square is b. Why? Because we know root 4 is equals to 2 and root b square is equals to b. So this is how we can simplify the term into single expression. Now let's see this part b. I have copied down the part b again here, and you have to find the values of c, possible values. So 2 log 3 base c is equals to 7 plus 4 log c base 3. Now if you see in, just a minute, in this term the base is c and in this term the base is 3. So we need the same base so that we can solve it further. So what comes in your mind? Absolutely right. I will apply here change of base rule. You can apply either here or here, your choice. I'm applying it here. Okay, doesn't matter. So log 3 base c and 7, I'm at the moment keeping it as it is. So it will be log 3 base c. Excuse me. Because if you can recall, if I have log b base a and I want to apply change of base rule, I can write it as 1 over log a base b. Base become number, number become base. The changes of the places changes, right? Now I have log base c in the question. So I can say let log 3 base c is equals to t. So 2t is equals to 7 plus 4 over t. So if I take LCM, it will be 2t is equals to 7t plus 4 over t. 2t square is equals to 7t plus 4 then it will be 2t square minus 70 plus, sorry, minus 4. Just a minute. This is the basic algebra, right? Minus 4 is equals to 0. So if I factorize it, because 4 2s are 8, I am sure you know this, because those who are doing additional mathematics, at least they know these basic things. So it is 2t t minus 4 plus 1 t minus 4, right? So you got t equals to minus 4 and minus half. Now you don't have to find the value of t, you have to find the value of c. So I will go back here, right? So I will say, let me change the color. I will say when t is equals to 4. Okay, we got the two value of 4. This is plus 4. Okay, so I will say when t is equals to 4, I will substitute the value of t here. It means log 3 base c equals to 4. And how do we change log form into index form? You remember, na? 3 is equals to c power 4. So then you will take 4th root of 3 is equals to c. This is your one answer. And when t is equals to minus half, t is equals to minus half, then log 3 base c is equals to minus half. 3 is equals to c power minus half. So I will multiply both sides by the power minus 2. You know this thing, right? Basic thing. Because I want to get rid of what? I want to get rid of minus half from there. So if I multiply by minus 2 power on both sides, this will become plus. So it is 1 over 3 power 2 is equals to c. So 1 over 9 is equals to c. So I got here two values of c. So now to check, oh, I solved this question again here, I'm sorry. Anyway, so now there is one question for your test to your understanding, and I have solved this question here, so you can put the video on pause and try to solve it. Okay, so I will show you the solution here. All of you can put the video on pause. And I have broken it into small pieces so that you can focus on one step at the time, and I have to use different colors also here. If any step is not clear, you can write it in the comment and I'll explain it to you. If you see how come this step become this, the focus is on this. B is a subject, a power x. So this whole thing is here and this is 10 here, 10 power 1. So this is how I have changed log form into index form. Okay. And then cross multiplication, it will become a quadratic equation. Then you solve it and get the value of x. Sorry, if somebody is checking it, you can check along your steps. Okay. If question says exact form, then you will show it in the exact form. You will not write answer in decimal in that case. So I hope you understood. Now I will solve in next video, video number 5, more equations of the log. Thank you very much for watching. Please press like and subscribe button, share it with your friends, and do write comments.